In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Photopea. If you've ever opened a design and needed to tweak a headline, fix a typo, or restyle a caption, this walkthrough will make it simple. Photopea is a powerful browser-based editor that works a lot like traditional desktop tools, and editing text in it is fast once you know where to look. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. At the top left, click File, then Open, and choose the design or image you want to work on. Give it a moment to load and you'll see your project appear on the canvas with its layers listed on the right. Next, look in the Layers panel for a layer that has a T icon. That T tells you the text is still live and editable. If your document has several text elements, pick the one that matches the words you want to change. Selecting the proper layer first keeps everything organized and prevents edits from landing on the wrong element. Now activate the Type tool. You can click the T icon in the toolbar on the left or press the letter T on your keyboard. Move your cursor over the text on the canvas and click directly on it. You'll see a blinking cursor appear inside the text box, which means you're ready to edit. Begin typing to make your changes. You can correct spelling, replace words, or rewrite the entire line. The update happens instantly on the canvas, so you can see exactly how your adjustments affect the layout. A quick tip: double-click a word to select it, triple-click to select a whole line, or use Command or Control plus A to select all the text in that box if you want to replace everything at once. When you're happy with the wording, customize the styling to match your design. Use the options in the top toolbar, or open the character panel if you prefer more detailed controls. Choose the font style to match your brand or the template, adjust the font size to improve hierarchy, and pick a text color that has enough contrast with the background for readability. Spacing controls are also key. Tracking changes the space between letters, while leading adjusts the space between lines, which can make paragraphs feel tighter or more open. Finally, set alignment to left, center, or right, depending on the layout and the balance you want on the page. That's it. Open your project, select the text layer